How to create Behance Portfolio. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's pretty quick and easy tutorial. So I hope this video helped you out, and please let me know in the comments if it did, and then yeah, let's get started. So first of all, you want to go to behance.net and then make sure that you have an account. So either log in or sign up. I'm going to click on sign up. Here you can create an account. You can fill in an email address and password, or you can log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then click on continue. Here, put in all of this. Then click on create account. Once you have created your account, you have to choose a couple of options or one of these options which you are interested in. So let's say you are into photography. You can click on there, and now your feed will be more focused on photography rather than art or graphic design or anything else. So what you can now do is obviously get some inspiration. So if you search for example, portfolio photography, then you will get a bunch of portfolios. So here you can do a little bit of inspiration. So let's see how this one would look like. This looks quite cool. And you can kind of like find out how this works. So once you have some inspiration, what you can actually do is go to your profile right over here, and then here, create a project. By the way, here is also the Try Adobe Portfolio. So where you can get started for free. This is also a pretty cool method in order to do this. But what I don't know is that if you have to eventually pay for this, it says free, but I'm not completely sure. But what you can also do is simply create a project, and then this is where you can actually add your portfolio. Now, how can we actually make a portfolio? On Canva, there is actually lots of free stuff as well. So what you can search for is, for example, portfolio, and you will get a bunch of different portfolios. So let's say you, for example, like this one. This is actually a pro version, so you got to look out for the ones that are free. So they have this small crown. This one should be free. This one looks actually very cool in my opinion. Then you can click on customize this template, and you can kind of like change what you like. So here you can basically change pretty much all of the elements. And then here you can, for example, change this to your name. And then you can basically share this. Here, click on download, then click on download over here. And now it is downloaded. We have now downloaded this. Now we can go to over here. Then we can select the portfolio. Then what we can also do is add content. So here we can add a photo grid at the bottom. Here we can add a bunch of photos. So for example, so I've just added a couple of photos, as you can see. These are just random thumbnails of mine, but just to show you guys how this basically works, then you can click on done. And here you now have a quick profile or a photo grid, which is quite cool. Then what you can also do is add some of the styles, like the background color. In this case, white should be perfect. We can also add some video or audio, or even embed some stuff or some extra text as well. And you can also make the grid a little bit smaller. Now, this is an extremely simple version of how you can make a portfolio. Obviously, if you are like an actual like designer, this should be way easier than getting some presets. But yeah, after you're done, you can click on continue, and then you have to give all of this a title. So then you have to give the title a project. So I called it like this. You have to add some project tags. So I just added these tools used, for example, Photoshop, categorize photography, and then Behance visibility. You can change that as well. You can also change the cover image, but this looks perfectly fine in my opinion. And then you can simply click on publish. And once you are done, this is how it will look like. So yeah, that's quite cool. This is how to create a Behance portfolio.